In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Claude 3 AI for free in the easiest way possible. If you've been wanting to try Claude for writing, brainstorming, coding help, or everyday AI tasks, this guide will walk you through the fastest way to get started. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to the official Claude AI website. Once the page loads, look for the sign up option if you're new, or the sign in option if you already have an account. This is the easiest route because Claude offers free access directly through the browser, so you can get started right away without downloading any complicated software. If you already have an account, just sign in with your existing details. If you're new, go through the quick sign up process. You'll usually just need your email and a simple verification step. One of the best parts is that no credit card is required, so you can try Claude 3 free without worrying about being charged. After you log in, you'll be taken into the Claude interface where you can start using the AI immediately. Depending on what's available in your region and account, you may see access to the powerful Claude Sonnet models, which are designed to give you fast, smart, and useful responses for a wide range of tasks. From there, you can simply start a new chat and begin asking Claude questions, generating content, or testing how it handles your prompts. If you want a mobile option, you can also use the Claude iOS app, which gives you access on the go and makes it easy to continue your chats from your phone. This is especially useful if you want to use Claude for quick ideas, notes, or assistance when you're away from your computer. Just remember to always use the official Claude AI website or app so you know you're getting the real service safely. There are a lot of copies and misleading links online, so sticking with the official platform is the best way to avoid problems. And that's it. That's how to get Claude 3 AI for free in just a few simple steps. You don't need a credit card, you don't need a complicated setup, and you can start using Claude right away through your browser or iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more AI guides, software tips, and step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.